With the next episode of the Reggae Boyz Saga about to begin, with most of the usual suspects in the squad for the big Argentina friendly, we look at the bigger news, the omission of veteran goalkeeper and team captain Andre Blake. Blake is not injured and was fully available for this assignment, so make we no bother beat round the bush. Instructively, Andre Blake was left out of the squad for this massive game a few days after making a tweet throwing jabs at the JFF. And all of this comes with some history of Blake being the team's leader and one of the representatives for a certain core of players who have been basically at odds with the leadership of the JFF. And look, Andre Blake is undoubtedly Jamaica's best goalkeeper right now and would be a massive asset to the team. But with all that history and then this tweet to greet the new head coach, can you honestly blame the JFF for starting to look towards a new dawn with players who are fully committed and focused on representing Jamaica to their fullest instead of being disruptive and hung up on petty grudges and egos? You rang the JFF? Me no rang the JFF. Not this time. I don't rang the JFF this time.